Hi everybody, thank you for watching. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this golden smoky eye. It's perfect for Coachella. I'm actually going for the first time ever this weekend and I'm so excited, and as I was packing all of my stuff to go, I was like, what kind of makeup looks do I want to do while I'm out there? So now that I have my outfits planned, I was like, you know, I want something like really gold and bronzy. So I figured let me do like a trial run and film it for you guys, and honestly, I'm obsessed. This is definitely 100% how I'm going to be wearing my makeup. I have a day party that I'm going to, or 2 day parties I'm going to on Saturday, and then I'm probably going to go to the actual Coachella afterwards. But I'm like living for this look. I think it's so pretty and sparkly. So make sure you guys are following me on Instagram and Snapchat if you guys want to see some videos and pictures from my first experience. Wish me luck. So if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look right here, then please keep watching. Cat mom life right here. All this hair. Jesus. I'm gonna grab Tempera from the Soft Glam palette and I'm just gonna apply that right on the inner. I always just use my finger, it's just easy. Then with my Sigma E40, I'm gonna be picking up the color Orange Soda, and I'm just gonna be applying that in my crease. Then with my Sigma E25, I'm picking up the color Rustic, and that's gonna be going right in my crease. I'm also going to be applying a little bit onto my outer lid as well. I'm then picking up a little bit of Cypress Umber, and this is going to go also in my crease and on my lid. And I'm just going to be blending all those shades together. So I wanted to do like my go-to like matte smoky eye, but then I also am going to Coachella this weekend, so I figured, you know what, let me add a little bit of a twist to my just go-to smoky eye. I'm going to pick up a little bit of the color Sienna. So if I were gonna just like keep it matte, obviously I would like go over the color, blend it out a little bit more, but that's really all that I would do for like my everyday, well not every day, but like when I go out, I always do like a typical matte smoky eye. So this is the pigment that I'm gonna be picking up. This is by Medalist, the sparkling foiled pigment in the color Touch and Soul. It's so pretty. So with a tiny little Morphe brush, I'm gonna apply this. I feel like this camera is not doing it justice, but it's amazing, you'll see. I'm then grabbing the color Sultry with my finger, and I'm just gonna tap that on as well. It's gonna add a little bit more shimmer and a little bit of the color Bronze. So next I'm gonna line my lashes with this Kat Von D liner. And I'm just gonna smoke out the liner a little bit. You just apply that like right above it. And I'm also gonna mix in a little bit of Cypress Umber, so mix the two. I know I normally never do this, but I figured, you know what? Let's switch it out. Then with my pencil brush and Cypress Umber, I'm just gonna go and just darken it a little bit, right in the crease. How it hits the light. Ah, ridiculous. Taking a little bit more of the burnt orange, I'm just gonna go over this and just kind of drag out the line a little bit. Becca Champagne Pop for under my brow. For my lower lash line, I'm picking up Cypress Umber, and I'm gonna start at the edge. And then a little bit of the color Sienna. So now the next time I do this look, which I'm definitely gonna do it while I'm in Coachella for one of the day parties. I know it's a lot of makeup, but I don't care. I'm gonna probably be doing my face makeup afterwards, just because with the sparkle and everything, it's a lot of fallout, so I would just recommend doing that. And then for lashes, the Double Up 113s, these have been like my absolute favorite as of lately. For mascara, I'm using Bybel Beauty. A little bit of powder, just to apply some bottom lashes. So I am taking my Shade and Light palette and I'm gonna bronze up my face a bit. And I'm gonna go over the nose contour. Obviously I did my face makeup before, but from wiping away, I'll just do a little bit. To highlight my nose, I'm using Champagne Pop. And it is raining and thundering and it got so dark just now, so sorry if you can hear that. And to line my lips, I'm using the Dewy Sienna lip liner. And for lips, I'm using the Pure Hollywood Liquid Lip by Anastasia, which is available for the month of April in my Allure Beauty box for only $10, and you're getting like $90 worth of product. So yeah, it's worth it. This is like the best lipstick shade from Anastasia. And I'm gonna go in with the iconic lip liner from Charlotte. I couldn't find it before. I would have used this otherwise. And then over that, I'm gonna apply the new Patrick Ta She's Expensive lip gloss. And I'm gonna give this guy a try. This is the We Need Her Gold Spray. Oh my god, it's amazing. So it just gives you like a really beautiful, subtle glow. Love it, it's perfect. And my favorite blush, the Flower Beauty. Sweet Pea blush. And we're gonna apply a little bit of the champagne, or a lot because it's Coachella, right? Let's go with the whole glowy vibe. I feel like I need a half up, half down with this look. So I literally just did my hair in like 1 second. Let's see if what it looks like with a little bit here. You see the city in motion. You love the darkest part of every quick remark. If it's cold and hard, it sets you in motion. This is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I personally love how it came out. You guys know I am the queen of bronze, golden, smoky eyes, but it's been a little while since I have done one, so I felt it was appropriate for Coachella and all of that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to stay tuned for my Coachella vlog, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.